One important factor is that BJP is going into this election after the grand Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtapana. Don't you think issues, I'm not saying Hindutva per se, but these religious, the issues of faith are not resonating with the electorate?
They're not resonating. And they're not resonating for very understandable reasons. Look, why would some young man in the north, a Hindi-speaking man, who voted for Mr. Modi in 2014 because he expected to get a job, why would he vote for Mr. Modi again 10 years later when he still doesn't have a job? Where are the jobs in our country? There is unemployment even amongst the educated people. Youth unemployment is at record levels. Now, on top of that, you've got we're a very price-sensitive nation. For many people, what you can afford to eat occupies a large percentage of your disposable income. So if you're sitting in a situation where you cannot even afford to go to the bazaar and buy the fruits and vegetables that you used to buy last year or 2 years ago or 5 years ago, then you're going to say, why is the government doing this to me? If they're going to let prices go up, let them also raise my salary. But in the last 10 years, 80% of the Indian population has only seen a decline in their incomes. And 20% has gained all the benefits from this economic miracle. 1% has seen 40% of the GDP growth in this country. So you're looking at a situation where the Aam Aadmi, the average voter, has no incentive to vote for Mr. Modi, and those who would have voted because of Ram Mandir are already voting for Hindutva anyway. So nothing is going to go.